The Supreme Court deadlocked, dealing a blow to the Obama administration and those hoping to bring some 4.5 million illegal immigrants out of the shadows. The divide among the justices and the country, a hot-button issue echoed right here in the Valley as hundreds of protesters take to the streets of Phoenix.
And tonight we are covering those local protests and breaking down what all of this means for millions of people with live team coverage. And we begin with Sonu Wasu near 4th Avenue Jail, where another protest is about to start in about an hour. And Sonu, we're hearing that already police have arrested 4 people today.
Yes, they're all charged with obstruction of justice, a misdemeanor crime. Police tell me they were aware that emotions were going to be running high today after the Supreme Court action, and they were even prepared to take people to jail.
Stop the deportation! Stop the deportation!
What started as a peaceful press conference quickly changed tone. Protesters rushed into the streets and formed a human chain. 2 guys chained themselves onto step ladders in the middle of the road.
Shut it down! Justice!
Emotions running high after the Supreme Court action. Families uncertain about the future. Children worried mom, dad, or grandpa may be deported.
No, we won't go! Deportation's got to go!
Phoenix police stood back for a while watching, very methodical in their approach. Then we saw them forming their own human chain.
We're not going to come rushing in here and just start grabbing. We don't work that way here in Phoenix.
Officers finally file in, first asking people to get off the road. 4 people refused. Police had to use bolt cutters to cut the chains. Big cheers for the protester as he is led away, taken to jail. Now, as you mentioned, we are hearing that more protests will be taking place outside this jail, people gathering to show support for those who are arrested. Coming up at 6, ICE responds to those calls to dismantle their organization. I'll have much more coming up then. Back to you.
Thanks so much, Sonu. And with millions of lives in limbo, what does the court's non-decision actually mean for